Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time for another room tour. Yes, and I should say me. I'm staying at the Travelodge by Wyndham, the Anaheim Convention Center. I had a room with 2 queen beds to begin with, but then when they asked me when I checked in, I'm like, no, I just need the one. So I have a king size bed. And well, let's take a little look at the room, shall we? Now right as you walk in, you'll notice that it's just kind of like, here it is. This is the room. It's not so bad. This is the big king bed. Right over here, my stuff on this red chair. This lamp. This nice AC unit. But nice and kind of open, you know? Modern. Very kind of modern chic, as it were. I don't know, is that... I'm not using that term properly. I don't know. Anyway, I got a gift from Mom over here, thanks to Niecy and Janice for bringing it. Anyway, so we have the TV and stuff. We've got a microwave, and what's in here? Ah, it's a fridge. Yes. Oh my goodness, and it has nothing in it. Okay, well, you know, I'm a hopeful gentleman. Anywho, well, don't worry. We'll do the bed test. We'll come back to it. But then you walk right in. Here we go, the bathroom, and kind of the sink area. You have a nice big kind of walk-in closet, and you can hang stuff up here. Little ironing board and whatnot as well. Then over here you can see we've got some towels. And, oh, they're trying to cover up the piping. I'm like, what is that thing? I didn't know. Nice big mirror. Hello. Nice little hair dryer. And then the nice clean bathroom right here. Look at this. With a walk-in shower. Oh yeah. And look at this too. It's even got one of those kind of cool drains that's like this kind of lengthwise thing. Not too shabby, yeah. Now, one of the nice things about this one is that it was at more of a budget price, and it's not too far away from the Disneyland Resort. It's actually like they recommend if you want to get to Disneyland Resort, you can actually just walk up, I think it's Harbor Boulevard. If not, I'll put a correction in. But you can actually take a right before then and head into where they have the like Toy Story parking lot where I typically park when I come down here, and then there's like a shuttle that you can take from there, and you can just hop on over to the parks. And one of the nice things about taking the shuttle in like this is you can actually do security there versus doing it actually at the park. So as opposed to waiting in that first line of the day, you can get it taken care of and you bypass that security, which is super nice. If you guys want a video about that, just kind of showing off that process about kind of parking your vehicle at the Toy Story lot and then taking the shuttle in, I can totally do that. I actually watched somebody else's video about that and I found that very helpful, but you know, I'd love to just kind of spread the word on that too. But because this is a room tour, we always end with a bed test, okay? Here we go. Did you guys hear that? Oh, it's very comfy though. And maybe it's just like the fact that I've been walking for a long time and yelling and stuff, but it's really good. I'm just noticing some art above the bed. I don't know, can you see this? Tell me, what is that? Is that modern? Is that modern? I don't know. I don't know anymore. But anyway, this is, yeah, just a little brief room tour. I just wanted to kind of show it off. So if you're interested in staying here, this is just, again, just the 1 king size bed. But they have other accommodations if you want, and it's another option if you're not looking to stay on property at Disneyland. So just keep that in mind. If you guys would like more videos like this in the future, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to make them. Brief little kind of chunks like this. And let me know if you've ever stayed here too. I want to know if there's anybody out there who's been here, if you've had a good experience or not, because this is my first time staying here. So maybe I will try to report back in if you know, anything notable comes up, good or bad. But yeah, it's I don't know, it works for me. It's a place to sleep, and it's kind of what I'm looking for. I wanted to show you guys something else I kind of alluded to earlier. So if you're staying at the Travelodge Anaheim Convention Center, you head down this way towards Disneyland. It's only like, they could say 2 blocks, but those are big city blocks. So if you don't want to walk all the way down Harbor Boulevard, which I believe is the boulevard that we are on currently. Yes, it is, I've confirmed. then you can walk down here just a little ways, and then you can take a right and actually go over where the like Toy Story parking lots are and take the shuttle. And you can actually check through security there, so you can kind of avoid the major line that you would have off Harbor Boulevard, which is way down there. So if you don't want to walk the 15 minutes, then you can do that instead. So yep, we're just about a block down. There's convention way off to the left and then parking off to the right. So you can walk right up here, and then you can take a shuttle in after you go through security. And you can kind of see in the distance way back there, but that is actually Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. So it's not completely too far, it's just a little over 1 mile. But if you're staying down here, especially at the end of the night, maybe consider the shuttle. It will be easier on your feet. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out today. A huge thank you to our patrons for making these videos possible and just showing me that you want to see more videos like this. That does mean a heck of a lot to me. Anyway, yeah, and also if you guys don't realize this, I'm making a ton of Disneyland videos, so if you just caught this video by itself, if you want to see some parks videos, you should be able to check them out in the cards up there, or yeah, maybe I'll link them, I don't know. Either way, thank you so much for being here today, and until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome.